The second law that we're going to talk about that deals with deductive reasoning is the law of syllogism. I'm going to put a definition for the law of syllogism down here at the bottom. Um, you're going to want to copy that down, but it's not going to make a whole lot of sense unless I explain it to you. So let's take this example. So here we have two true conditional statements, or at least we're going to assume that they're true for the sake of argument. The first one is if we have another snow day, then we will have more school in June. And the second is if we have more school in June, I will not go down the shore. So just because these conditional statements are true, that doesn't guarantee anything's going to happen. For example, there's no guaranteed snow day. There's no guaranteed school in June. There's no guarantee that we're not going to go down the shore. But what it's saying is that if we have another snow day, then it's guaranteed that we have more school in June. And if we have more school in June, then it's guaranteed that I will not go down the shore. So let's assume for a moment that this hypothesis is true. We have another snow day. What has to happen? Well, by the law of detachment, the law we just studied, if the hypothesis is true, then the conclusion is true. So basically, now that we know that the hypothesis is true, we have another snow day, we will have more school in June, the conclusion is guaranteed too. So, now we know we have more school in June. Well, that guarantees this hypothesis right here. And if that hypothesis is guaranteed, then this conclusion is guaranteed. So basically what happens is we can cut out the middleman. If we have another snow day, then I will not go down the shore. So the law of syllogism is going to allow us to cut out this middleman. These parts have to be the same. We will have more school in June. We have more school in June. And we can write a new conditional statement to represent the situation. If we have another snow day, then I will not go down the shore. So the logical conclusion that you can draw from all of this information right here, the logical conclusion that you can draw is if we have another snow day, then I will not go down the shore. Does that guarantee that we're going to have another snow day? Nope. Does it guarantee we're not going to go down the shore? Nope. But it does guarantee that if there's another snow day, then I won't be able to go down the shore. So let's talk about how we use the law of detachment in conjunction with the law of syllogism. You can assume that all these statements are true. If we win the game, then we will go out for dinner. If we go out for dinner, then we will have pizza, and we win the game. So, first let's apply the law of syllogism. If we win the game, then we go out for dinner. If we go out for dinner, then we have pizza. We can cut out the middleman, and then we can turn this into one conditional statement that says if we win the game, then we will have pizza. All right? We also now know that we win the game. So we've now guaranteed the hypothesis here, which also guarantees the conclusion. So because we win the game, we now can conclude we will have pizza. Let's change this second statement here to we have pizza. So let's get rid of this. So does that guarantee that we win the game? No. Does it guarantee that we go out for dinner? No. We could have pizza at home. We could have lost the game and our parents take us out for pizza anyway because we're celebrating somebody's birthday. So here you could still use the law of syllogism to turn these two conditional statements essentially into one, but this is not going to be the law of detachment because it doesn't guarantee the hypothesis. It guarantees the conclusion, and if we only guarantee the conclusion, there's not much we can say based on that. So there's no valid conclusion that you can draw knowing that you have pizza.